In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Jupyter Notebook default browser. We'll make sure Windows uses the browser you prefer, and then launch Jupyter so it opens right there automatically. Start by opening the Windows search bar. You can click the Start button or tap the Windows key on your keyboard to bring it up quickly. In the search field, type Apps and Features, then open it. This takes you into Windows settings where we can adjust defaults. Inside Settings, find the section called Default Apps. This is where Windows decides which program handles web links. Look for the web browser option, click it, and choose the browser you want Jupyter to use. If your version of Windows shows per app defaults, select your browser and set it as the default for web, making sure common link types like HTTP and HTTPS point to it. This step is important because Jupyter opens your notebooks in whatever Windows recognizes as the default browser. With that set, navigate to your Jupyter folder, the place where your .ipynb files live. Using File Explorer, open the folder that contains the notebooks you plan to work on. This ensures Jupyter starts in the right location, so your files are immediately accessible. At the top of that File Explorer window, click the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. This opens a command prompt directly in your current folder, saving you from navigating paths manually. In the command prompt, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. Jupyter will start a local server and should automatically open your browser to the notebook dashboard. Because you just set your default web browser, it should launch in the one you selected. If Windows asks which app to use, choose your preferred browser and confirm. Keep in mind, leaving the command prompt window open keeps Jupyter running. Closing it will stop the server. That's it. You've set your default browser and launched Jupyter from your working folder so your notebooks open exactly where and how you want.